Brookston Park, ito po along highway ng Barangay Cabukot, Tres Martires, Cavite. Kung naghahanap ka ng single detached Anessa, ang lot area nito is 120 square meters, floor area of 75 square meters, side expansion, complete amenities, maganda po ang community nito. Ito po ay may house features na 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car park. 20,000 to reserve. Directly PM me para sa full details, map inventory, i-present ko po sa inyo. Daily tripping and reservation tayo. Any project na malapit sa amin. We have also si Audrina. Single detached din po ito. Ang lot area niya is 100 square meters. Floor area is 67 square meters with side expansion, complete amenities din po. Magkakasama po ito sa loob ng community. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Ayan, 20,000 to reserve din po si Audrina. Pili ka po kay Anessa and kay Audrina. Pareho po sila single detached. Nalilibot po yung bahay. We also have Anika, single attached naman po ito. Lot area of 80 square meters. Ang floor area niya po is 60 square meters with side expansion, complete amenities. House feature 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 parking, 20,000 to reserve din po. Alin man po sa magustuhan mo dito po, directly PM me, send ko po yung computation, mapa, and available inventory. Along highway po ito. Astrid model po, townhouse naman po ito. Ang lot area is 50 square meters. Ang floor area po is 45 square meters. Front expansion naman siya. Complete amenities. House feature, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and 1 parking area. 20,000 to reserve. Arlet Townhouse, lot area of 50 square meters. Ang floor area is 41 square meters. Front expansion, complete amenities. House feature po, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and 1 parking area. 20,000 to reserve. Meron din po tayong lot only. Optional for Anika model Anessa Adriana. Ayan siya. Meron tayong 100 square meters, meron tayong 120 square meters, and mga corner lots. Ayan po. 10,000 to reserve. Kung alam mo po ang mainteresaduhan mo, magustuhan mo pong ma-check ang computation, directly PM me. Ito po yung FB ko. I-attach ko na lang dito.